Well, you're going to be styling a bandana. It'll be a quick style, so this style you can style it when you have short hair, long hair, or no hair at all. It's easy and quick. Grab your bandana. What you need is a bandana. Grab the bandana. You can also use a flat surface. If you cannot be able just to do it on your own, you can actually use a mirror to look at yourself. Yep. So a mirror, a bandana, and a flat surface. I hope you've grabbed that. And now let's pay attention to all the details. Yeah, that's what we call being African. You get so much hair everywhere. Here's my bandana. It's this one. Here she is. Like this. So look at the opposite side. The opposite side should be facing at the front, and then the other side towards the back. In short, the opposite side that I'm calling opposite is the inner side. So this is my inner side. You can always know the inner side by looking at the sewing area. So like this, you place it on a flat surface like this. So if you're placing it on a flat surface, the inner side should be facing on top. If you're doing it exactly like me, the inner side should be facing to the front. So pick one side, or choose just to rotate it like this. Rotate it like this. Even when it's on the flat surface, do the rotating. And then when it is like this rotated, forming something like a star, from this top part you push it towards the end, from top to bottom. You fold it like that. And if you really want it to be straight, you can always use a iron box to iron it after we have done the processes, or in every step of the way you just choose to iron it. So when it's like this, or instead of doing it this way, you can either choose from this top side, from here towards the bottom side, or from this side towards this side like this. There's always so many ways of killing a rat. So from this side to this side, just like that, to get that elegant look that we all want. And remember, the size of the bandana in these terms is dependent on the size of your hair. If you have too much hair, what you'll do is, when folding it from this top side like this, you don't let it get to the bottom side. If you have too much hair, you do not let it get into the bottom side. If you have too much hair, or you have a big head, not big head, huge, I don't know the term that you can use, yeah, because you want this bandana to fill the entire hair, the entire head and everything. Okay, so like that. And the other way in which you can fold these into this particular style so that you get whatever we want is, from the beginning, from the word go, the rotating, you just fold it a little bit like that, and then fold again a second time, or even at that time. I told you it's all dependent to the amount of hairs that you have. And remember, you can also do this style on the flat surface. You fold the first time, the second time, and then the third time. So it's all in the manner that you'll see that it looks pretty and it looks easy for you. Okay, so I've given you 3 ways in which you do it. The first one, where you just fold directly towards the end. The second manner, whereby you just fold a small piece and then you get it. I know you're getting me. You're getting me. And if you've not got it, you can always go back and check it out. And so far, make sure that you like this video, you share it out. You can leave a comment down below talking to me. You can always also talk to me via my socials, which are always in the description. That is Tambero Maureen, at Miss Maureen. And yeah, I'm always here to give you amazing tutorials and lifestyle videos. So up to that point, we're together. So for me, I always opt for the easy one, the first one, and I give it to you as the first method. So from the top, you just drop it like that to have something like this. Remembering the inner, the outer, and inner side. So the next thing you do like this, and then you place it. You place it at the back. Don't worry about my hair. This is protective hairstyle. Like this. Let me show you that it looks from the back. It is like that. Okay. We just placed it like this. Here at the front, make a knot at the front, then rotate it. Actually, you can always even place it like that if you want a style for the neck. This is like an extra bonus, which makes you give me a like for giving you extra bonuses. Anyway, you can always style a bandana. Actually, for this clothing, it actually can fit very well. Anyway, that's not our focus. So once you do that, you pull it towards your head like this, like that, and then fold it out to have something like that. I feel like it's not that tight for me, so let me redo that. I tighten it a little bit, and I also feel like it's small. We talked about big heads and everything, so I think I'm going to just fold it a little bit, add a little bit of space instead of getting it to the very end the way we had done it up to that end. In this case, I'll just place it up to like the center there. And actually, it actually looks beautiful. Yeah. And then back to the style, we place it on our shoulders, not like that. In this case, if I place it with this smaller side onto my shoulders, it means that that smaller side is the one that will be lying on top. It is what people will be seeing. But if I want it to be on the inner side, I'll have to place it onto my shoulders in this form. So the smaller part will be on top, while the bigger part is lying on my shoulders. So like this. Yep. Then we fold it. We make the knot. Two knots are always advisable from me. Then rotate it. Now look at me. I just overdid it again. But I know you're getting my point, and hope you're enjoying this video. So like it, and you can talk to me over my socials. That's it. More. Please subscribe, guys. So we did like that. You see, you can pull the first one like that. Like that, and then you just pull the second one like that. And you can always choose to like let your ears be on the inside or on the inside like that, or outside. My two lines cannot actually be seen. If I want it to be a little bit even bigger than that, remember I can always add in the size in the ways that I have shown you. Remember, we've done it in, let's just have a recap of what you've stated. There are 3 ways in which you can do this. What determines the style is the size of your head, the size of your hair, and if you want to like hide everything. If you do not want to hide every part of your hair, you'll not like just place it all over, okay? Do not make it as big as mine. Alright, so style number 1, you can always fold it, all of it, or fold it from the sides, okay? Or fold a little bit and then continue adding the folds. If you want it to be more ironed, just smoothen it up, okay? And that is also super amazing. We've done so many tutorials differently on this bandana style and how you can fold it, how when you have short hair. Oh my goodness. Nilikupenda bila fahamu. So what was I saying? We've done different tutorials on which you can do this, and we're going to be doing more and more amazing contents on tutorials and lifestyle, tutorial lifestyle. No more news, tutorials and lifestyle, okay? So if you want to see more of those kind of videos, just click here. Yeah, and more bonuses and tips on how you can rock that bandana, that scarf, they're all right here. So click on this one.